So now on our USDJPY, please and please, before we go continue, if you are new, I want you to actually subscribe to this channel before you go. On our USDJPY, we can see we are actually on an uptrend move. We're actually on a bullish move. We actually had this retracement, right? We actually got this bullish move where our price has actually, I think, it failed to break above. You can see the pullback. You can see our price pushes up, giving us like a double top. Our price has fallen down, so we would actually highlight this as a key level area, which is our support. If you are to take it, it has once given us a pullback here. Our price rejected here, right? Our price came down. You can see the wick pushing up again, which means it is our support level. So as now we have eaten our support level, we would continue to be seeing that bullish move again to take out this ice here and see a fall. That is exactly what we should be seeing on our USDJPY. So we would want to go bullish first, go up to take out this our highs where our price has actually been rejecting before we see a fall. The reason is that why we will be seeing a bullish move against our JPY. Now let's see it on our JPY index. Our JPY index itself would be falling. Now we can see it on our daily time frame. We can see a bullish move, a retracement, a bullish move, right? I'll take here as a bullish move. I'll take here also as a retracement and another bullish move, breaking our previous higher highs. If you are to see it broke our previous higher highs, and now we are actually having a retracement, a downward move, which means our JPY itself will be falling. Now let me take here as a key level area here. I'll be taking it as a key level here area where our price, went bullish, it came down, right? Our price also pushes up. It came here to test this our area here before having this huge wick. So we can see it now. We would want to see our JPY drop a little bit, which would not be that much, which is at least 45 to 50 pips. So when our JPY drop, which will not be that much drop, then we will be seeing a bullish move on our JPY. So when we have a little bit of a drop on our JPY, this is exactly why we are going to be having a little bit of a bullish move. As we can see our USD to our JPY, just a little bit of a bullish move to take out this our resistance level. So when we have that little bit of a bullish move, then we will be seeing a drop on our USD to our JPY. That is where our JPY index itself will start giving us that, you see it, that bullish move again, possibly to take out this size or break above it. So a bullish move we will be expecting on our JPY, then a fall on our USD JPY. So that is the analysis for the week.